So we have this question, write 3 over 4 million in figures. Now when you come across something like this is how you go about it. So the first thing we want to note is how to write 1 million. So remember, we have units, tens, hundred, thousand, tens of thousand, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now this is the million part. So if we want to write 1 million, we'll be having 1 and the remaining will be zeros. 1 million. But we are told to write 3 over 4 million. So 3 over 4 million will be equals to 3 over 4 times 1 million. Can you see? Do you understand? So if 4 of all writes 1 million, then 3 over 4 million will be 3 over 4 times 1 million. So we can have over 1. Does this make sense? So we can start with 2. 2 here 2. 2 in 10 is 5. So we'll be having 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Does that make sense? 2 here 1. 2 in 5 will give us 2 remainder 1. 2 in 10 is 5. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is 250,000. So it means our answer is 3 times 250,000. And this will give us 3 times 0 is 0. 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 3 times 5 is 15. 5 carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that will give us 750,000. So 3 over 4 million is 750,000. Do you understand? Let's take another example. Alright, so we have write one whole number 2 over 5 billion in figures. Now in this case we have billion. So the first thing we need to write is 1 billion. Do you understand? And 1 billion will give us units, tens, 100, thousand, tens of thousand, 100,000. We have million, 10 million, 100 million. We have billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now this is the billion part. So 1 billion will be 1 and the remaining will be zeros. Does this make sense? So we can put the comma. So one whole number 2 over 5 billion will be equals to one whole number 2 over 5 times 1 billion. I hope you understand. Now we need to turn this to improper fraction. That will be 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 over 5 times 1 billion. Do you understand? Over 1. 5 here 1. 5 in 10 is 2. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have 7 times 200 million. This will give us 7 times 0 is 0, 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 7 times 2 is 14. So if we introduce comma, we should have 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is 1,400 million. And this is our answer. I hope you understand. Now don't forget, if you have a fraction of a million, all you need to do is the fraction times 1 million. And if you have a fraction of a billion, all you need to do is the fraction times 1 billion.